guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I am so happy you're here today because we have a hop-in giveaway. We're doing our Holiday Sparkle Part 2 hop-in giveaway. So you're going to see some projects using the box of the month for November and the stamp and die of the month. So stick around. I also have an important message for those who have bought the stamp and die of the month. So I want to get into that first before we get into a project and share all these goodies. So if you're on our subscription and you got the stamp and die of the month, there was a little boo-boo on this month's die. The die for this image here, there's a cut area that is on the die that should not be there. So there's an easy fix. So when you're snipping your dies apart, take your wire cutters and snip away this little part here. This little cut here is cutting actually on the post in between the little snowman and then this board here. So inside this little area here. It should not be cutting that. So let's go ahead and snip that off. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. And then if you haven't received your stamp and die yet, I am going to go through each and every one of these and snip it away for you. So you're just going to take some wire cutters and trim off right here in between. So there's an area there. And then this area here. And you're going to make sure you're not going to cut the raised area. So you're going to cut in between where it's flat. Give it a good press, and then you might have to bend it a little bit back and forth like that to get it going. See? And it'll come right off. That little piece you don't need. So your die is going to end up looking like that without the section. So then when it cuts it out, it's going to look like that. So I've got the rest of my images all ready to go so we could create a card with this. I'll go ahead and cut them out. But in the meantime, let's share what else is available in the shop. So if you want to purchase our November box of the month, it is available. We have some extra spots this month if you want to join the club. When you join the club, choose monthly before checkout. There'll be a little drop-down menu. Click on that. You'll get an extra 5% off your box, and then your box will ship every 30 days from the date you purchased. You're getting a large 6x8 stamp set, beautiful farmhouse theme in this month's box. You're also getting this 4x6 stamp set, New Year theme, some great sentiments in here that you can use throughout the year, not just for New Year's. Beautiful set. You get 2 ephemera packages. They both coordinate with the paper pads this month. Christmas on the Farm and Sparkling Wishes. You also get a confetti mix from This Calls for Confetti that was custom made to match the Christmas on the Farm paper pad. So I made a lovely shaker card with the mix, and it is so much fun. It shakes so easily with those little those green pieces in there. They're chopped, they look like sprinkles. There's some Christmas trees in there and super, super pretty. So this was made with the paper pad and the stamp set. Here's another one with the stamp set. And then these little treat bags, I thought we would make some more of these and use the Paper Pad Club subscription papers. So this month's Paper Pad subscription, you're getting the Winter Blues and the Dots for Winter. And the Winter Blues, you get these cutouts, and I have cut some of those out, so I thought we'd make some cute little treat pouches and also use the stamp and die of the month. So I'm going to put together this slimline card and we'll make some treat pouches. So the cutouts from the Winter Blues look like this. You get some gloves, a hat, some skates, a poinsettia, an ornament, and then this little winter greenery. So really pretty images to create some card fronts or some little decorations on your 3D projects. I'm also going to want to use this cute little one. I love these little images. So I did open up a few more spots for the Stamp of the Month Club. So if you wanted to get in on this club, you do get an 18% discount. So you're purchasing the stamp for only $13.11 every month, and you get something really cute every month to craft with, and it's automatically shipped to you every month. So when you are joining the club, don't forget to use that drop-down menu to choose monthly before checkout. You can purchase this as a one-time purchase, you just don't get the discount. So it's available with the stamp and with the die. So for this month's hop, use the hashtag N2S Holiday Sparkle 2 to bring up all the videos in this hop to each one, leave a comment, and then come back to the Rafflecopter link for your chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. So show the other creators on the hop some love by giving them a like, subscribe to their channel, and we really appreciate your support. So let's get into the projects. So my large slimline card base measures, when it's closed, 8.5 by 3.5. So you would cut your sheet of paper to 8.5 by 7 and then score it down the middle. So I am putting some layers on here using an LDRS die. So we have a scallop. All of this is going to be layered up together. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue. Okay, I'm using my Barely Art Precision Craft Glue that is now available in the shop. This is my favorite glue to use. I love the precision tip that it comes with. So we are just going to center this on our card base, and then we'll go ahead and layer the next piece. I'm going to put my magnets on there so it can dry nice and flat and help me hold it down. And then we're going to put our little squares in. So this, I took the paper from the Winter Blues paper pad. So this gorgeous paper pad that is now available under the Paper Pad Clubs. So you'll see that under subscriptions. There's a section in the shop that says subscriptions, and then you'll see Paper Pad Club. So you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. But if you do purchase the Paper Pad Club as monthly, you'll get the 18% discount. So you get 2 paper pads for a great price. The paper is high quality. It's printed on 80-pound cardstock. Our customers are very pleased with it. I get a lot of compliments. There's a lot of great reviews if you want to read the reviews under the Paper Pad Club. So we'll let that dry for a little bit. So I'm just going to pick out some fun patterns from here. You're going to see both sides of the pattern paper when you do these pockets. So that one would be really cute. Have the little geometric on one side and the little skates and hat and gloves on the other. So I'm going to do 2 of them. Let's do this one. Okay, so these are super easy to do. You'll get a bone folder out. You're going to fold these in half, corner to corner. You can get your score buddy out if you want to help hold these corners. That's what I do. So I use this to hold my corner in, and then I just fold them directly in half, corner to corner. And then I use my bone folder. You're going to pull this down to the bottom. Burnish that. And then you're going to take the end and go all the way to the top here. Okay, so this is going to fold underneath. Okay, so then you're going to take the other end, fold it all the way to the top. And then just burnish those edges down with your bone folder. You're going to add some glue there. Put a little foam tape there to hold that down. So you could use double-sided tape if you wanted. Now this is not my design. This has been out for, I think, going back 4 years at least. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube, so I don't know where I first saw this project, but you can find it on YouTube by searching 6x6 inch paper pockets, I think. Then I just get a little piece, a little square foam piece, and then just put it right there in that corner. And that will hold down my flap. And now I've got that really cute pocket. Isn't that adorable? So you can fill this with whatever you want. Put a gift card in there. These fit in there perfect, the confetti little packets, if you want to give that as a little gift to your crafty friend. And I decorated it like this in a little baggie, put some ephemera in there, little bow sucker. So I thought that was just so cute. Now we can take our images, put the little ice skates on there, or the hat and gloves. Just arrange that however you want. You do the poinsettia. Oh, I like that one. I do like that. That is really cute. Or the little ornaments. That's cute too. So I think I want to do the ornament and the poinsettia. These are a little bit big for the pockets. Those could go on cards. I think that's really pretty like that. So I'm going to glue this down. So now I'm going to decorate the little gift that's on the inside. So I added a little sucker. I'm going to close this up and then use the bigger images to decorate the bag. So it's going to look like this, and then we can have the little hat, kind of like it's the sucker's hat. So I'm going to put that on there with some foam tape, and then the little gloves are just going to be hanging off of the little baggie. So I want to see which way I want to put it. So you can see I made some cute little pockets using the Paper Pad Club of the Month. They turned out so cute. So I added the little skates on the inside, the hat on the outside, put the bow, use the ornament, the Merry Everything from our Stamp and Die of the Month. And then this one I used the Thanks Snow Much from the Stamp and Die of the Month. And the beautiful poinsettia. And on the inside I have the sucker and the confetti mix, and that just tucks in right behind the poinsettia. So it's super cute. Now you can use gift cards in here. Those would be really cute as well. Wrap them up if you want. Just super fun project. And here are the other ones that I created using the papers from the box of the month. Just so stinking cute. There's a little clip on that one. And here's another look at the slimline card using the Stamp and Die of the Month. Just so stinking cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the hop. Don't forget to hop on over to the next person and leave a comment. Enter into the giveaway through the Rafflecopter link. I will announce the winner on my community tab on November 15th. You can always click back on the Rafflecopter link and that will show you who the winner was as well. So thanks so much for supporting, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.